Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the introduction of radical part 5, which is we're going to write in radicals into the power forms or the power into radical forms. Okay, this one is a little bit overlaps with our exponent video tutorials. Okay, if you haven't checked the exponent tutorials, you can check that as well. Okay, so the reasons we need to talk about this again because that actually belongs to the radical sessions. Okay, it's kind of like overlaps in the radical and the exponent. Okay, so if you haven't done the exponent, please go back to check it out. I'm going to assume you already know the most part of these conversion things. I'm just going to quickly go through these things. Okay, so just check my exponent videos. All right, so how to convert a power into radicals? First things, rational powers. Okay, so for example, like this 1 over 3, this power just going to equal to cube root. So the 3 is in the denominator and then the root is here. Okay, so 4 over 3 like that, the 4 is applied to the power of 2. And then the 4 over 3, the 3 is the cube root. Okay, so I talk these things in the exponent tutorials. I'm not going to do that again. So just go back to check that part out. All right, so maybe you can learn that as I'm doing this part. Okay, the 3 to the power of 1 over 2. So 3 to the power of 1, so just 3, right? Root of 2 just gave a hat, and then 2 is outside. Okay, so normally we don't write 2 here. So if you didn't see any number here, it's the default as 2. Okay, so square root of 3, that's it. All right, so this one, so negative 4. And then 1 is the power of 1, still negative 4, right? So cube root, so which is a hat with the 3 on the top here. That means the cube root of negative 4. We don't need to simplify this. We don't need to know how much is it. So we're just converting a power into radicals. Okay, so that one, 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 4. So 2 to the power of 4, and then the 3 means cubic root. Okay, the denominator is 3, so this number is 3 here. So which is how much? Which is 2 to the power of 4 equal to 16. So cubic root of 16. That's it. Okay, that's how to converting from power to radicals. Okay, so I think you should be able to go through these things by yourself. Okay, so you can pause the video and then try to do yourself. All right, you can pause now. All right, if you pause the video and then come back, that's good for you. All right, so let's keep going here. Negative 7 to the power of 2 root of 5, right? Because denominator is a 5 here. So again, negative 7 to the power of 2 is how much? It's a 49, okay? So fifth root of 49, that's it. Make sense? Good. So 2 over 3 to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, don't panic. Don't panic. Totally fine. 2 over 3, this is base, right? 2 is just applied 2 here. Cubic, so 3 is applied 3 here. So which is cubic. Okay, the 2 means the square root. Okay, which is how much? Which is the cubics applying here, right? You can learn my exponent video part. So 2 to the power of 3 equal to 8, and then 3 to the power of 3 equal to 27. So square root of 8 over 27. That's it. Okay? 16 to the power of 0.25 equal to 16 to the power of 1 over 4. Okay? 0.25 is 1 over 4. So if you don't know how to do this one, please check my another grade 10 videos how to convert a rational into decimal. Okay, so 16 1 over 4, so which is equal to 16 to the 4th root. That's it. Okay, let's see next page here. Okay, the next page is writing each radical into a power. So which is what we have done to do the reverse here. Okay, so 5, so it means the square root of 5, which is 5 to the power of 1/2. Okay, that's we're doing the backward things. Okay, the 9 root of 4. There's 9, there's no power here. So 9 root of 4, which is 1 over 4. Okay? The 2 to the power of 2. So 2 to the power of 2, the 2 is on the top. And then the root of 3, the 3 is in the bottom, it's the denominator. So numerator is the 2 to the power, denominator is the root of these things. Okay, so next one, negative 3, what? We got 5 here, right? And then 4. So we can do to the power of 1/5 and then to the power of 4. Okay, if you check my exponent videos here, power times power of power equal to power multiply, so which is equal to negative 3 to the power of 4 over 5 here. Okay, power of power equal to power multiply. All right, the next one, cubic root 2. Again, 5 over 7 cubic root is 1 over 3, and then to the power of 2. Okay, so 2 power of power equal to power multiply equal to 5 over 7 to the power of 2 over 3. Done. All right, the last one. Hey, last one is interesting. 3 over 4 to the power of 2 and root 2. So 3 over 4 to the power of 2 and then power of 1/2. So power of power equal to power multiply. After we done this thing, 2 times 1/2 is 1. So it's gone. That means the 2 and then square root of 2 is canceled each other's. So it's just equal to 3 over 4. That's it. Okay, so we don't need to write any power here because there's just 1 here. Okay, so that's how to converting from radical into powers and then power into radicals. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will try to answer your question in my next video. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.